What's the meaning of Brixton? Brixton. Brixton.
Brixton. Brixton. Brixton is a district in South London, England. The name Brixton is believed to have originated from the Saxon word Brixestane, meaning the stone of Brixie. Brixie was a Saxon lord who owned land in the area during the 6th century. In the 19th century, Brixton developed into a bustling residential and commercial area, attracting immigrants from the Caribbean and West Africa. Today, Brixton is known for its vibrant market scene, diverse population, and lively music and nightlife. It continues to be an important cultural hub within the City of London.